Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A3 Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style and mark wallpapers. Now it is time to select the source from which you want to select the wallpaper, so pick whichever you prefer, then mark the wallpaper that you want to set. You can obviously go through all of them to see how each of them looks on your screen and then just select the preferred one. Then you can customize it, for example like this, and then mark apply. Finally decide if it's for your lock screen, carousel wallpaper, home screen or both home and lock screens. I want to apply it on both home and lock screen, and as you can see from now on, this wallpaper is covering both home and lock screens of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.